Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add or delete slides in PowerPoint on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my mobile I just opened PowerPoint application, so I just have some PowerPoint presentation over here. So this is my presentation. So I just want to add or delete the slides. What I have to do here? So if I want to edit the slides, what I have to do here? So on your slide, just double click on that, automatically it will move into editing option as you see here. So this is the editing option. You can able to see the plenty of slides over here. So I just want to add or delete the slides so that I can able to use for my clients or any other purposes. What I have to do here? For example, I just want to add in between 2 and 3 slides. I just want to add one more slide. What I have to do here? So in your down corner you will find a plus button over here, so you can identify. I have kept the cursor in second slide, so I just click here for plus button. Automatically the third slide will be added over here, so I can able to edit the slides. Whatever slides I want I can edit, and I can edit the content overall. So if I want to insert the image also, I can able to do without any other hesitation. I just click here to add the images. So simple and easiest way you can able to use your PowerPoint presentation over here. For example, I just want to delete the slides. So what I have to do here? So just to select which slide you want to delete. Just select the slide and there will be a delete option on top. So I just click here for the delete. The entire slide will be deleted over here. So simple and easiest way. For example, unfortunately if you have deleted your files or slides, so how to retrieve the slides? So on top you will find a undo and redo option. Just click the button, automatically the slides will be written back. So once you deleted, unfortunately if you want to return back, you just click here to enable that is a redo option, so you can get the slides over here. So there is a plus button over here, so to add the slides, and you can delete the slides, you can long press on that, you can delete the slides over here. So from the mobile phone itself you can add, delete and redo the options using your mobile phone itself. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.